Hi everyone, today I went to Bunnings to pick up some seeds because it's time to get my winter garden started. I found everything I was looking for: radishes, spinach, kale, broccoli, sugar snap peas, leeks, and even some calendula flowers. When I first started gardening, I wasn't sure what would grow well in winter, but these vegetables actually love the cooler weather here in New Zealand, so I'm excited to see how they do. The radishes should be the first to harvest, while broccoli and leeks will take a bit longer. I think it'll be really rewarding to watch everything grow over the next few months. The calendula isn't just for color either. It helps attract beneficial insects and makes the vegetable garden look so much brighter. Now it's time to get these seeds into the garden. I'll be sharing regular updates so we can see what grows well and hopefully enjoy some fresh homegrown vegetables soon. If you enjoy following this garden journey, I'd love for you to subscribe and join me for the next update. Thanks so much for watching.